Hello and welcome. I am Yogesh Pai, Assistant Professor of Law at National Law University, Delhi. In week 13, we are going to discuss intellectual property infringement. What does it mean to say that there is infringement of intellectual property has been a topic of discussion in the recent years. The most important aspects in relation to IP infringement are, interestingly, not directly provided by the statute, but there is a lot to be left at judicial creativity. Although all kinds of intellectual property statutes in the Indian context provide for infringement, but the various kinds of standards deduced to find out infringement is an example of judicial development through various case laws. In one of the first modules to be studied during the week, we are going to study the concept of patent infringement. Mr. J. Sai Deepak is going to take you through various kinds of concepts of infringement and will tell you what kind of judicial cases have evolved. We are going to study some of the most recent decisions involving patent infringement, especially in relation to pharmaceuticals. Because there are very few trials that have been conducted in the Indian context, there is a lot left to be desired in terms of what kind of doctrines could be used to detect and study IP infringement. In relation to copyright infringement and the remedy of the remedies provided, which we are going to study later in detail, copyright infringement as a concept has also evolved through various cases. Mr. Aditya Gupta is going to take you through several cases in relation to copyright infringement. In this particular module, you are going to study how various doctrines have been used to study substantial similarity and what does it mean in particular context. Suppose if you were to copy certain portions of a movie, how would copyright infringement be detected? How is substantial similarity required to be assessed? These are the questions which you are going to study in copyright infringement. Finally, in trademark infringement and passing off, you are going to study what it means to infringe a trademark. Can marks that are deceptively similar be considered as infringement? What is infringement in relation to marks that are not may deceptively be similar in terms of in the literal sense, but may be deceptive in the phonetic sense? So all these kinds of aspects in relation to trademark infringement, including in case of unregistered trademarks, the remedy of passing off, will be discussed in detail. I look forward to seeing you at the end of the week to summarize the discussions of what modules that have been covered in the week. And also, we look forward to seeing you in relation to the last and the final week in week 14 after the summary. Thank you.